You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning at our place, or back home, or at home. Chez nous. Chez means at someone's place. Nous is us, so at our place or back home. Chez nous. Chez nous. Like if you are a Frenchman and you're in the US, you'd say back home in France. Chez nous. Chez nous. Well, things are different. Bread is better, for example. Chez nous. Adjutant. Adjutant. Stress on the first syllable. Adjutant. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.